After just 1 month of being published, this book began earning over $11,000 daily, and another book, within 2 months, is projected to make up to $299,000. In the next few minutes, I'll transform you from someone with no clue to someone prepared to launch a similar business and start generating sales. This tutorial will be comprehensive, covering everything from finding winning ideas to creating your book and launching your business the right way. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. So, how do people make money? They utilize a free business model called Amazon KDP, which allows you to list your books on Amazon and earn royalties for each sale. This model is ideal for beginners as there's no financial risk. You simply publish your books and Amazon handles the rest, including printing and shipping. But what kinds of books should you create? There are 3 types. Low-content books, like planners and journals, are easy to make, but face high competition and relatively low profit margins. Medium content books, such as coloring books and activity books, are more challenging to create, have moderate competition, and offer higher profit margins. High content books, including guides and both nonfiction and fiction books, are difficult to replicate, resulting in less competition and much higher profit margins. For beginners, focusing on medium to high content books is recommended, but success in high competition categories is possible with unique ideas and effective differentiation. For example, consider Things I Can't Say Out Loud in Meetings, an aligned journal notebook in the low content category. Despite being just 3 months old, it already earns $30 in daily royalties, totaling about $900 per month. Then there's a coloring book, a prime example of a medium content book, which, after just 1 month, is estimated to generate up to $500 in daily royalties with simple and easy-to-create designs. Moving on to a step-by-step workout guide featuring 80 exercises with illustrations, videos, and challenges, it exemplifies a high-content book. These books are challenging to copy and boast high profit margins, earning around $11,200 daily. Creating such books used to take months, but now, with the assistance of AI, similar designs can be replicated in under 10 minutes. This rapid creation process opens up lucrative opportunities. Now, let's delve into finding winning product ideas. With a basic understanding of Amazon KDP, let's explore 2 methods for finding winning product ideas, one paid and one free. Paid method. I came across a paid tool called BookBeam, which provides access to various useful tools, including the niche finder. Here's how it works. After selecting the niche finder, you're presented with various filters. I usually opt for a preset from the drop-down menu, such as top-selling books or the newest bestsellers. For instance, if you choose the newest high-selling books, you'll see a list of newly published books performing well in sales. It's advisable to adjust the review filters to focus on books with a maximum of 20 to 40 reviews. This narrows down the competition further. Next to each book, you'll find details like BSR, monthly sales, royalties, and price. By examining these listings on Amazon, you can gather more insights into their content, design, and offerings. Using this tool, you can quickly identify winning ideas to recreate for your Amazon KDP business. I've already conducted research and compiled a list of successful KDP products across various niches. Each book on this list has been proven to work, providing a shortcut for your journey. Free method. Let's explore the free method for finding products, which involves using a Chrome extension called DS Amazon Quick View. This extension displays the BSR, Best Sellers Rank for Amazon Products. If you're unfamiliar with BSR, it essentially represents a product's sales score. with lower BSR indicating higher sales. Here's how to use this method. Go to Amazon and use the search bar to look for a broad niche or specific product, like coloring books. On the left, you'll see the total number of results for that term, helping you gauge competition. With the DS Amazon Quick View extension, you can view the BSR under each product. A good BSR typically falls between 1 and 880,000, though this can vary by category. For example, a product with a BSR of around 2 million isn't desirable, indicating low sales. Scroll through the listings, looking for products with promising BSR numbers. Add these to your list for potential replication in your Amazon KDP business. Additionally, I'll introduce what I call the space method. By typing your niche or product and then pressing the space key, you can further narrow down your ideas for less competition. For instance, instead of just coloring books, you can target specific categories like coloring books for adults, kids, or teens. Each iteration helps reduce the number of competing products, increasing your chances of success. Once you've honed in on potential products, it's time to analyze and replicate them for your own KDP business. This process involves creating content, designing covers, and preparing for publishing. We'll take inspiration from a successful book, like the Kawaii coloring book, which has a BSR of 177,000 and makes about 18 sales a day. Analyzing its content, we note its simplicity and variety of illustrations, including animals, fast food, and sweet treats. Reading reviews provides valuable insights, such as avoiding issues like off-center illustrations. Keeping designs simple and clean resonates well with customers. To generate endless illustration ideas, we'll leverage AI through prompts like, "I'm working on a kawaii-themed coloring book for kids. Please suggest 10 minimal and cute items for each category: animals, fast food, and sweet treats." AI image generators, like Coloring Book Hero, can then turn these ideas into illustrations quickly and efficiently. Consider using an image upscaler to enhance illustration quality, though this step is optional. With these methods, you can effectively find, replicate, and enhance products for your Amazon KDP business. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Designing. Let's dive into the designing phase, where we'll piece together all the content you've gathered for your book. We'll start with designing the book cover, as it's the initial point of contact for potential readers. Begin by navigating to Canva and creating a new design. But first, determine the book size by examining competitor listings. Typically, this information is found by scrolling down. In our case, the book size is 8.5 by 11 inches. With this information, download the correct template using a KDP cover calculator tool available online. After obtaining the template, open it in Canva and use it as a guide for your design. Ensure the dimensions align with the template by creating guidelines. Now, let's get creative with the cover design. Start by uploading the template's PNG file to Canva and overlay it on your design. This helps ensure all elements fit perfectly within the template boundaries. With the cover structure in place, it's time to add graphics and text. Draw inspiration from competitor covers, aiming for simplicity and clarity. For instance, you can incorporate cute illustrations related to your book's theme and use appropriate fonts. After about 30 minutes of designing on Canva, you'll have a cover ready for use. Before proceeding, place the PNG template over your design again to double-check alignment. Once satisfied, download the cover as a PDF for printing. Now, let's move on to interior design, focusing on the actual content inside the book. Create a new template in Canva using the book's dimensions. Upload the trim size template and set guidelines as before. Then, add shapes and borders to create visually appealing page layouts. Next, upload your illustrations and text onto the template, ensuring everything fits seamlessly. Consider adding names to each illustration to enhance engagement. Additionally, you can include introduction pages, section dividers, and a thank you page. Once the interior layout is complete, save it all as a PDF for printing. Now head over to Amazon KDP and sign up for free. In your dashboard, click on Create and select the book type, in our case, paperback. Fill in the required details about your book, such as title, author's name, and description. For the title, consider using a similar format to successful competitors, but ensure originality. Use ChatGPT to help craft an optimized description if needed. Select the appropriate book category and enter relevant keywords to improve visibility. Utilize Amazon's suggested keywords for inspiration. Upload your book content and cover, indicating if AI was used in creation. Review and approve, then set your prices and royalties. Before publishing, consider ordering a copy to check the quality. If satisfied, click Publish to submit your book for review. Once approved, it will be published on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your publishing journey. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.